Good Friday night, everyone, and welcome back. We're going to continue to see some scattered snow showers tonight, but I want to take a minute to go over next week's first alert weather day for Thursday. This is going to be the first day of our Arctic blast. I mentioned it earlier. It's not going to be the only cold day, and it's not going to be the coldest day, but here's what we're alerting you to. On Thursday, that polar plunge arrives, and that Arctic air not only invading the Red River Valley, but the northern United States. Sub-zero temperatures will be likely for a few days, along with those dangerous wind chills, those feels-like temperatures due to blustery conditions as low at times to 30 to 40 degrees below zero. Now onto the snow for this evening. It was just crawling across the bottom of your TV screens, those winter weather advisories for our easternmost counties. That's where we're expecting the most accumulation by the time the system exits tomorrow. But here's what we're seeing now. A little closer view of the northern Red River Valley. Some lightly scattered snow showers, not quite as organized as it was per se an hour or so ago, but regardless, light snow continues. Down in the southern valley, we've had kind of a mist conditions here in the FM area. Not very well detected by radar, a little bit more organized from Devil's Lake down towards the Sisseton Hills. Here's what you can expect for the rest of tonight. Scattered snow showers continue. They'll be the most organized across northwestern Minnesota and parts of the Red River Valley. Meanwhile, out west, we've also got an area of snowfall that will move into eastern North Dakota, but that's not going to stick around for too long. It exits by tomorrow morning. Meanwhile, the snow in Minnesota sticks around and will be a little slow to exit our easternmost counties, sticking around into the early to possibly mid-afternoon in some areas. And that's why we expect more accumulation for our easternmost counties. Temperatures and conditions by tomorrow night quieting down, but temperatures dip into the single digits. Here's another look at the snowfall potential. Not much change from what we told you earlier if you tuned into our earlier newscasts. A trace to maybe an inch in parts of eastern North Dakota. Still expecting an inch or so in Grand Forks down through Fargo. It's in Lake of the Woods, Beltrami County, that we could see that 2 to 4 inch range. And we'll call it this medium blue shade there. That's where we expect still 2 to 3 inches of snow. Right now here in Fargo, visibility still not the greatest. We're still dealing with the, again, like I said, kind of mist conditions along with some fog as well. Visibility is 3 miles. 34 degrees, so we're still above freezing. Roads are still wet. Temperatures will be dropping tonight. It's already 30 in Moorhead, 30 in Grand Forks as well. That light dusting of snow on the ground in Grand Forks. Wind out of the north at 7 miles per hour. So not seeing a lot of wind right now either. Temperatures are generally at or below freezing, Fargo the exception. Tomorrow, along with blustery conditions, we're going to see falling temperatures. So by 4 o'clock, expecting teens north, low 20s across the southern valley. More teens in the forecast heading into Sunday, looking to be a chillier one, but not quite as gusty either. We have another chance of a few flurries on Monday as a system passes to our north and another one to our south. A break Tuesday. A few inches of snow will be possible on Wednesday. Still too early for timing track or more details on that. But then after that transition day Wednesday, we turn much colder through the extended
It's now looking like a fairly extended stretch of some cold weather too. Look, you count 4 or 5 days there at least.
Yeah. Get ready to grab the big winter coats maybe for the first time this season.
That's true. Thanks, Summer.